What's up, guys? Welcome back to the print room. We're going to be changing the Recirc pumps on the GTX proB today, right? Very simple, very quick. We got two brand new ones here, so let's get at that right now, okay? Okay, so first you take this little felt piece out, right? It's not connected, it's just basically for vibration. And we're going to have two screws on each side, okay? Right, we loosen those up. Mainly usually you have to completely take one out so you could slide it out, okay? We got this plug back here. We undo this plug, okay? Slide that guy out, okay? Got tubes in front with the clamp. Now, push the clamp in and slide, squeeze the clamp in and slide, okay? We got our new pump here. Okay, we got our new pump. Now, ink or anything is not going to necessarily flow out, so nothing to worry about, right? The ones with the little, tells you it clearly says in on that tube here, it says in, so that one is the top, okay? The top one is the in. The top is the in. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the in. We're going to squeeze the clamp, get the clamp on. Then what we're going to do is they give you syringe, okay? We basically want to prime the Recirc pump some, right? So that when you start the machine, it doesn't do a dry pump, okay? So you put the tube on the bottom one, and then you pull a little bit till you get some ink in the syringe. Then we slowly take that off so we don't splatter ink everywhere, okay? And then we put the bottom tube on, and then we slide the clamp on, okay? Clamp is on. Then from there, we plug the bottom back in. Bottom's plugged in. We line it up, and we screw it back down. Okay, got the two screws. So you just start the one side. Don't screw it all the way. You don't want to make it tight so that you can move this around a little bit. And then we do the other side. And then we can make it tight. And then from there, turn the machine back on, and then you're going to go to what I like to do is a white channel air bleed, because you will have a bunch of air in the lines. And I'll do a white channel air bleed, let that all get nice and filled up, and then you should be good to go. So if you're having issues, normally when these are switched out is when you're having an issue with full channel dropout, okay? You're printing and you're getting all channel 1 dropping out, all channel 2, or maybe all of 1 and 2, and you're having that issue. A lot of times it's the Recirc. Not every time, right? Could just be your print head, could be the damper in your print head. Maybe it's your, maybe it was one of the C filters we changed in the other video. So, but most of the time, if you're getting full channel dropouts, after a few prints, it's normally these are clogged up and the ink just can't flow and it's having trouble being pushed. So, yeah, so basically we do the same thing for the second one. It's identical. In is on the top, out is on the bottom. So if you got any questions, comment below. Be more than happy to help. Once again, thanks for checking out the video and have a great one.